Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today guys I'll be showing you how to make a tuna canapé. Okay guys, so right here I have a list of ingredients that I'll be using. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna make the topping first. Okay guys, so just stick around and watch how I'm gonna deal with this tuna canapé. Okay guys. Welcome back guys. So today I'll be making tuna canapé for you. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and make the topping for you guys. Okay, so yes guys, let's get busy in the kitchen. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my cooked tuna in a bowl right here. Then to that guys, what I'm gonna add some green bell pepper, some diced tomato, some diced white onions, right here guys I have some mayonnaise. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add my mayonnaise. And I'm just gonna go ahead and combine these ingredients. Okay guys, okay, good. Right here guys I have some salt, just a pinch of salt. Okay guys, then to that we'll be adding some black pepper. Okay, and here we go guys, this is ready. So yes guys, let's go ahead and arrange our canapé. Okay guys, so right here I have some salted cracker. I'm just gonna go ahead, put it on my plate. And right here guys I have some cucumber with a little bit of design on it, with the seeds already removed and cut in circular form. So I'm just gonna put my cucumber on top of my salted crackers. Okay guys, just like that guys. Now what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a spoon. Okay guys, to put my filling inside. Okay guys, and there we go guys. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and use some spring onion to garnish. Okay guys, and there we go guys, our tuna canapé is ready. Look how beautiful they are guys. See how lovely they are. Wow, these are amazing, guys. Trust me, these are beautiful. And thank you guys so much for watching another video. Please stay tuned and I will catch you in another video pretty soon. Goodbye.